In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Claude Code for agencies. This guide will focus on how to build projects faster, standardize code, handle feature requests, generate tests and documentation, refactor legacy code, and utilize Claude as a second developer. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand how to streamline your development process and improve project efficiency. To begin, utilizing Claude Code allows agencies to generate dashboards, CMS modules, and e-commerce features rapidly. Start by creating a new project within the Claude Code interface. Once you have your project set up, the tool scaffolds both back-end and front-end code quickly. This process significantly reduces repetitive coding for small client projects, effectively making it feel as though you have a junior developer who can write boilerplate code at an impressive speed. Next, standardizing your code is crucial for maintaining consistency across multiple projects. Claude Code enforces naming conventions and coding patterns that help ensure your code base remains uniform. This standardization not only streamlines the development process, but also simplifies handoffs to clients or other developers, making it easier for them to understand and work with your code. Handling feature requests becomes more efficient with Claude Code. When a client requests changes, you can modify multiple files simultaneously, which saves time and effort. The tool allows you to add new functionalities without needing to start from scratch. This capability is particularly beneficial for CRUD features, dashboards, and integrations, enabling you to respond to client needs swiftly. Generating tests and documentation is another significant advantage of using Claude Code. The platform automatically creates unit tests for new features, ensuring your code is reliable and well tested. Additionally, it generates API documentation and README files, which are essential for client handoff and onboarding new team members. This automation saves valuable time and helps maintain a high standard of quality in your projects. Lastly, Claude Code serves as a second developer by writing the initial code for you. Human developers can then review, improve, and integrate this code into their projects. This collaboration reduces the amount of repetitive work, allowing developers to focus on more complex or creative tasks. By leveraging Claude Code in this way, agencies can enhance their productivity and deliver high-quality projects more efficiently. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.